A68722, A68722, Ford Ranger 08, super clean, 19,000 miles on it, factory bumper to bumper protection plus extended powertrain. To 5 years or 60,000 miles. Good and bad credit welcome. Very, very clean, automatic with ice cold air conditioning. Bed liner by Ford. Doors open nice and wide. Ample size mirrors. Heavy duty, medium slate gray interior. Air feels good. Storage. More storage. And your miles. A68722. Come and get this before someone else grabs it up. www.419cars.com. Integrity Motors, Defiance, Ohio 43512 20390 County Road 424, Defiance, Ohio. Phone number 419-782-1044. 419-782-1044. Come and enjoy this truck. And a lot more miles to go.